Really hurt.
We are out
In the snow.
in the snow.
My hands hurt.
Storm.
So bad. My hands like
There's
are really hurting.
cars like trying to drive through. I don't see how they're doing that. Oh my god, it's so cold. So we are currently in South Brunswick, well, New Jersey, and it's a little chilly. So yeah, I know that there's a lot of places that are getting hit with the snowstorm like this. If so, you should do video it, because it's really cool. My hands are really cold from holding holding the camera. I almost fell, and I'm gonna get going because it's freezing. Love you guys.